If you've been looking for a browser automation tool that feels more like a real working system than a pile of confusing settings, Browser Agent is worth a close look. It brings together AI-driven missions, browser control, and agency-friendly extras in a package that's clearly built for practical use. Browser Agent is being positioned as an AI browser automation platform with a real browser engine, self-healing behavior, mission replays, and a plain English commander called TaskForge. In simple terms, it's designed to help you run browser-based tasks more smoothly, with less manual effort and more repeatable structure. The big problem here is time, complexity, and consistency. If you're trying to manage repetitive browser work, client workflows, domain flipping tasks, or service delivery, the page suggests Browser Agent can help you work faster and reduce mistakes. That's a very practical promise, and it's the kind of promise that makes sense for agencies and solo operators alike. A few features immediately stand out. First, the live browser feed and mission replays give you visibility into what the system is doing. Second, the 50+ done-for-you missions mean you're not starting from zero. Third, the Autopilot Scheduler, Encrypted Browser Profile Manager, Smart Results Insights, CSV and spreadsheet export, and commercial rights make it feel like a full business tool rather than a narrow utility. The mechanism is straightforward. You give Browser Agent a task, mission, or chain, and the system helps execute it inside a browser environment. You can use plain English commands, save missions, repeatable workflows, and even automation chains with branching, webhooks, and scheduling. That makes it appealing if you want structure without needing to build every workflow by hand. The upgrades are not framed as mandatory. In fact, the FAQ says you do not need them to use the core system. But if you want white label branding, client accounts, deeper automation, more concurrency, or agency-style delivery, then the upsells look genuinely useful rather than decorative. That's a positive sign, because the offer seems to map features to real use cases. This looks best for three types of buyers. First, domain flippers who want a more organized way to find, value, and list domains. Second, agency owners who need client-facing features and white label options. And third, automation-minded marketers who want browser control, scheduling, and templated missions. If you want a simple, all-in-one browser automation system with business upside, the positioning makes sense. My honest take is that Browser Agent looks positive and well thought through for the right audience. It is not trying to be a vague AI toy, it's pitched as a browser automation and agency system with concrete tools, clear pricing layers, and plenty of support material. The page also includes a proper income disclaimer, which is a good sign. Results vary, but if you want browser automation with agency-style extras, Browser Agent has a lot going for it. If you want to check it out, use my link in the description.